Hi, I am Pragmatic, the kangaroo. We will now see a simple recipe for the 17th week of pregnancy in this video. In the 17th week, it is important to take foods that are rich folate on carbohydrates. Beetroots are rich in essential nutrients, such as iron, folate, and vitamin C, which are crucial for a healthy pregnancy. Potatoes are a good source of carbohydrates and energy, which is essential during pregnancy. Beetroot tikki. Ingredients: grated beetroot, 100 grams, boiled and mashed potato, 100 grams, chopped onion, 1 medium-sized, chopped green chili, 1, turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon, garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon, ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon, corn flour, 2 teaspoons, suji, 1/4 cup, salt to taste, oil for pan frying. Beetroot tikki. For the 17th week, let us see how to make this yummy tikki. First, heat a pan with 2 teaspoons of oil. Add grated beetroot, chopped onion, green chili, ginger garlic paste, garam masala powder, and salt. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes until the beetroot softens. Now, mix in mashed potato and corn flour. Shape into round and toss the tikki in suji. Fry on a tawa until crispy and golden brown. Serve hot and enjoy. Beetroot tikki. Beetroots are rich in essential nutrients, such as iron, folate, and vitamin C, which are crucial for a healthy pregnancy. The combination of beetroot and potato makes these tikkis a perfect blend of taste and nutrition. And then, hope you liked the 17th week pregnancy recipe video from Pragmatic. Pragmatic, nurturing pregnancy and beyond.